cups for mommy so I can put some water in your cup. All right, we ready to go? Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fran. If you are new here, on this channel you will find all things lifestyle and motherhood with some travel. Happy New Year. It is what's today? Thursday, February 1st. I am starting my new year this month. January doesn't count. I haven't really done much. January, I kind of wanted to take it easy and really just recenter myself and figure out what I'm doing with my life. Me and the twins, I really have to get them out for y'all so you can sit up here with me. But right now the twins and I are heading to the park. I found this really nice playground. Yeah, I found this really nice playground that's not too far from my house, which we love that. So we are gonna go and spend an hour or so here at the playground. It's a nice day outside. The twins are getting kind of antsy, so I gotta hurry up. Made me a nice little latte for at home. So I ain't gotta spend no money. And yeah, we're just chilling today. Starting off a vlog, new weekly vlog. Hopefully I'm a little bit more motivated now to create these weekly vlogs. I'm gonna stop making excuses. But we'll catch up. Let's get these kids out. We made it back home. Hubby picked me up a piata. Is that what it's called? Yeah, piata. I'm having it with some lemonade. About to put the twins down when I finish eating this. And then once I do that, I will pick back up the camera and talk to y'all. Hi guys, it's a lot of time later. I took a nap because it's day 2 of my period and I'm low-key kind of struggling, but it's fine. Anyways, I'm trying to put my hair up. The little bit of hair I do have up in a little ponytail. Currently making some dinner, just some shredded chicken over like gravy. I'll serve it with like some green beans and rice for the kids. Let me show y'all. So yeah, just some shredded chicken that will be paired with some rice and whatever greens we have in there. This is here. I'm gonna have a glass of wine with my ghetto ass broken wine screw wine opener. I need to order a new one. First pour. No, this is mommy's drink. Cheers. Gonna season some frozen green beans and pop it into the microwave. Hey, get out of there, please. Get out of there, please. Thank you. And I'll season it once it cooked. I don't know if I said it earlier, but Happy New Year. Happy Black History Month. What a blessing to be blackety black. Black? The twins, mostly McKinley now. Come here. Come to mama. Come here. Look at that nose. So, Mommy. Twins' birthday Mommy. And Dwayne's birthday's coming up. And update on my life. Everybody's birthdays are ready to come up. That's enough. Okay. So, twins' birthdays on the 18th. Dwayne's birthday's on the 16th. And I can't believe I'm about to have 2-year-old twins. I made it. They are officially starting daycare this month in part-time, which I'm so excited about that because I get 2 days to myself to record, to create content, something that I really want to do. I'm giving myself 6 months of a break and then I will try to find a job, a full-time job, if I want to. But realistically, I would go back to work because I'm not getting paid to create content yet. So yeah, I think this weekend we are going to just be hanging out. McKinley is now jumping out of her crib into Mackenzie's crib. So I think we are going to officially start their room transformation, getting them some taller beds. All the girls will get wallpaper and just a whole redecorating spiel. Green beans. Put a little bit of olive oil, sea salt, and pepper and garlic. I think I told y'all in my previous vlog that I ordered some wallpaper samples. I don't like any of them. And thank God they're samples, because, girl, what is this? Dwayne doesn't like either of them either, so back to the drawing board with that. You broke it. Okay.
That's it. Is that 20?
Yes.
All right.
No way that rice ball thing would work. No, back. Hey! 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 Who do you think you are, little girl? Look at the rice. It's hot. Did it work? Did it not work? It didn't work that good? It didn't work? No?
No, they broke it up.
Oh.
Watch out, baby.
That's so cute that you got the mini spoons and forks. Where's the spoon?
Excuse
Back.
Cheese.
Hi.
Come here, McKinley. Come here. Yeah. Let's go.
Say hi, Dad.
What?
Are you gonna say hi? Here. Mackenzie, come here. Come here.
Come here, Mama. Up here? Hey, Mama.
No, it's mommy's.
Come here, Mackenzie. Let's put your shoes on.
You come here. Let's do your hair.
And put your shoes on. Hey, baby.
Bye-bye, Mama. Baby, go, 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 go.
You gotta put it on your hair.
Here.
Stay with mommy.
No, 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 no. Okay. Come on. Where's my phone at? Here.
Get your hair done. Finish. Go back to mommy. Go back to mommy. Stop.
Not nice.
Alright, I'm gonna go. Yeah, I guess worst case scenario.
Come on.
Dad is on morning routine for the twins. I wanted to quickly show you guys what we got from Ikea. I think we found beds for the twins. So we got them beds in new mattresses, but then we also got like some little knickknacks for the house. Lips are so dry. So starting with this, we got this for this because I want to organize this drawer. Like, it's getting a little out of hand. So we got like one of those trays. I got a new wine opener. Dwayne got this. I don't even know what this is. I don't even know what that is. I don't know what to call it. I got another whisk for when I bake. We got this really cute lamp to go in the twins' room. And then we got a, what is this even called? We got one of these for our coffee to make a French press. That's what it is, a French press. And yeah, I got my monthly flowers of roses. Look how beautiful. And yeah, I'm about to make us some breakfast. Today's Sunday. We're gonna just be chilling. I'm gonna start editing this vlog so that hopefully I can get it up, posted and uploaded tonight. So yeah, I'll catch back in with you guys a little bit later. Okay, it's been a little time later, and I almost forgot to show y'all the updates and what I've been doing practically all morning. I've been like decluttering and like cleaning, and yeah, I just want to show you guys what it's looking like. Okay, so here is this drawer. Put all the twins' silverware in here, adult silverware, straws, wine openers, scissors. Okay, did that. Then I went to this junk drawer, and this is kind of just like a drawer you throw everything in. But here's how this drawer is looking, which is a lot better. I did not take before and after photos, so yeah, did this one, and then I did this one. This one still kind of looks junky as hell, but it's fine. And then this closet was bothering the hell out of me because I just hate when I walked in, I couldn't walk in here. So I just kind of straightened that up there, and then at least I can walk in here now and like grab the vacuum cleaner or whatever I need out of here, because prior to I couldn't. I feel like this is a little cluttered up here, so I may like, I guess, redo this maybe another day or something. But yeah, so that is that. Turn this light off.
To remain pure.
time later. I pretty much finished my editing some of this vlog. I'm getting ready to go to Pilates. I think now I will end this vlog so that I can start another one for this week. The next vlog will probably be us starting the transformation of doing the twins nursery. I think either Monday or Tuesday is when we'll probably order the wallpaper and schedule for the guy to come and install the wallpaper. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.